Hello and welcome to another tool deal of the day from HomeDepot.com. It is today only for August 25th, 2025. So if you happen to be watching this video after that, unfortunately these deals are no longer in effect, but they do seem to be bringing back some of the same ones from the previous weeks that we have viewed. I'm just going to show you the top deals that are saving the most. I'm not going to go over each and every one of them. You're certainly welcome to check them out. And I will have YouTube shoppable links in the description, so you can pull up the products that I pull from this deal page. And if you do decide to make a purchase on any of these tools, it does help benefit the channel, and I really do appreciate that support. And also one other note is that, as a reminder, for this month I am doing a $100 gift card giveaway to a lucky winner. And to qualify, you have to be subscribed to the channel publicly, as well as comment in the video DIY Crasher Rocks, and then I will qualify you to win. All right, let's get started here into the deals, and we're going to get started into the Milwaukee M18 brushless cordless drill compact combo kit. And they are also including an extra fuel impact driver for only $229. That's saving $190. That's a pretty good deal, 45% off there. Next good deal from Milwaukee is M18 is the grease gun kit with a 2 amp hour battery. It looks like two of them actually, and a charger for only $249, saving 45%. Another awesome deal. And if you're looking to get into the DeWalt platform, I would certainly do so with this kit right here. It's the 20 volt. It is the 6 tool combo kit. And most of these, I believe all these tools are actually brushless tools. So it's a great setup right there. It does include a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery, as well as the Tough System 2.0 rolling toolbox for only $529. That's saving $370. That's 41%. So let's check it out here. Let's see, $529 for 6 tools. $88 a tool for a brushless tool. That's a great deal right there. Excellent way to get into the DeWalt platform if you're not already. Excellent pickup right there for $529. Is another decent deal from Milwaukee is the M18 14 gauge double cut metal shear with the 1/4 inch impact driver. That is the fuel model for $299. That's saving 42%. M18 10 inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with a stand, and as well as looks like a high output battery 6.0 with a charger. $699, saving $90. Even though it is only 11%, but $90 is still saving a decent amount. All right, these others aren't so much of a great deal, saving 23% off the different ratchets. And this one is a multi-ratchet. We'll just move along. So this one here is the M12, the 4-in-1 installation driver kit for only $179. And then with that kit, you will automatically get the two amp hour batteries, but they are throwing in the two 3.0 batteries. So you're getting a total of 4 batteries, the charger, and a bag. This is a great tool to have with these different attachments. For only $179, it's normally $199 just for that tool by itself. And then they are currently doing the deal online and in the stores where you're buying that tool for $199 and you're getting the additional 2 3.0 batteries for free. So obviously you're saving an extra $20 on this. So another excellent deal on that. And then next up is the Milwaukee M12 3/8 stubby wrench with also with the 3/8 ratchet. So it's a 2 tool kit for $299, saving 25%. You can save 25% on the compact M12. And here's another good kit right here. It's the mid torque wrench, 1/2 inch one. It does come with 2 5.0 batteries and the charger for only $329. That's saving 31% there. I do have that one. It works great. Great for lug nuts. You don't need the high torque one for that. So the mid torque works awesome. And like this one, and you're only saving 21%, so not so much of a great deal. And then this one here is an excellent deal. So the M12 or it's the M18 fuel surge. It is brushless. The 1/4 inch hex impact driver with a 5 amp hour battery and charger for $179, saving $230. That's 56% off. Normally you don't see the surge paired with the battery pack like that. And to get it for $179, that's an excellent deal. And then next up is, I'm going to skip over this next one here, saving 21%. But here's the drywall screw gun for $179. Again, they're pairing this one also with a 5 amp hour battery and charger for $179, saving 50%. Another excellent deal. And this one you are saving 33%. It is the looks like a 4-tool combo kit. That would be including the flashlight, the M12 set for $399, saving $200. And then for $399, this is going to be the same deal they have in the stores currently. Well, actually, my mistake. Actually, this one is, they're including a high output 6.0 battery for this deal for $399. So it is a better deal than what's in the stores. Because the one in the stores is also $399, but you're getting an additional 5 amp hour battery. So definitely a good deal there, saving $190. That's 32% off. And then this is another good one here from Milwaukee, the M18. It is brushless combo kit, 4 tools with 2 batteries and a charger for $419, saving $250. So what does that come to? So they're pairing the 4-tool combo kit with an additional impact driver. So it makes it be a 5-tool combo kit. So let's see what that averages out to. That's $83 a tool, plus you're getting the batteries and a charger and a bag for that price. So another good deal there from Milwaukee, saving 37%. And then they do have another one of saving 47%. That's for $239. You get this 2-tool combo kit. It's both a grinder and impact driver. They are the fuel models. That's another good deal. And another one you don't see often that they paired it with a battery is the drywall cutout tool for $129. It's saving 43%. Excellent pickup right there. And here's another really good deal. It's a 12-volt hammer drill with the 2 3 amp hour batteries for only $139, saving 50%. And then here is saving 55% on the M18. It is the flathead with the brake, grinder with a forged battery and charger for only $279, saving $340 right there. And here's another good DeWalt combo kit. It's a 10-tool combo kit with 2 amp hour batteries and a charger, couple bags, Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what that averages out to. $649. So it comes to $64 a tool. Now, just to give you a heads up on these tools, some of these are brushed models. For example, the vacuum, the Sawzall, the grinder, and the circular saw are going to be brushed models, well, as well as the blower here too. So the brushless ones are going to be the oscillating tool, the drill driver, and impact driver. But again, if you're looking to get into the DeWalt platform, I would go for the one above personally, because those are all brushless tools. But to be honest, this 10-tool combo kit is going to be, will still do you a solid. This is the kit I actually started off with in the DeWalt platform probably about 10 years ago. And I still have many of these tools and they work great. All right, the next deal from DeWalt is the 20-volt 2-tool combo kit. So it's a hammer drill and impact driver, and they're putting in an oscillating tool with that for $300. That is also with 2 amp hour batteries and a charger and a bag, saving $159. So basically it's getting that oscillating tool for free. So a pretty decent deal right there. And then you do have another option for also $299, and where you're getting the same 2 combo kit, but then also getting the orbital sander for $299. Saving $112 right there. And this Ryobi deal is currently unavailable, so I don't know why they display it. And then this one as well, I would skip over, even though it's saying saving 37%. It's the Orbit Sander with 2 5 amp hour batteries. Honestly, be better off waiting for other deals, because I think they've had them in the past for the 2 battery kit with a charger, and then you get the free tool for basically $200. And this one, you're not even getting a charger for the additional $60. So hold off on that one. They are running the deal again on the 15 amp DeWalt thickness planer. It does come with a stand with this one, so it's $699, saving $237. This is around the same price they normally put it at with that extra stand. So it's a decent deal there, because like at Acme Tools, just as an example, I think they charge about $1,060 or so for the same tool. So definitely better to get it here. And then next up, you can save 30% on the DeWalt 20-volt 18-gauge brad nailer for $329, saving $138 there. They are pairing it with a 2 amp hour battery, and they have a screwdriver set from Gear Wrench for $32. And another decent deal, it's saving 34%. It is the Milwaukee oscillating tool M18 with 2 5 amp hour batteries for $249. But again, when you're thinking about it, this is not the fuel version of the oscillating tool. And again, you're only getting the 2 batteries and not an additional charger for that extra $50. Again, this is like another one of those tools that is free when you're buying the battery starter kit when they are running the deal, especially in around Christmas time. So maybe be on the lookout for if you can hold off into the future. But this next one here is a good deal. It's M18 fuel impact driver with the hacksaw, one-handed recip saw for $179, saving $190. That's 51% off. Another excellent deal there. All right, next good deal is the Milwaukee M12 quarter-inch extended reach ratchet with 2 3-amp-hour batteries for $209. That's saving $150. That's 42% off. And then they have the Gen 3 3/8 compact impact wrench for $249, saving $170. They do have that paired with the 5-amp-hour battery and charger. So that is a good deal right there. And here's another good one right here with the fuel model of the oscillating tool and impact driver for $209, saving $210, so 50% off. That would be a good deal right there, especially with the fuel one. But I've heard mixed comments on previous videos about the oscillating tool, that they're not so impressed with it. I have a DeWalt one, and I love mine because you're able to control the speed through the DeWalt one with the trigger, and that's what I like about it. And the next good deal from Milwaukee is the M12 12 volt. It is the high-speed quarter-inch ratchet with 2 3-amp-hour batteries for $169. That's 47% off. And then the next good deal from Milwaukee is the M18, the plunge cut track saw. It is the saw only plus the 5-amp-hour battery for $449, saving $140. So you'd have to buy tracks separate if you don't already have them. The deal I've been holding out for is the one that I'd hope they'd bring back, was the one with they have it with the pack out box. I haven't come across that in over a year. And then another deal is the oscillating tool by Milwaukee, the M18 one with the 2-amp-hour battery for $119, saving 50%. But again, this is not the fuel one. This is the regular one, the brushed one. And this next one, you're saving 47% on the grinder and impact driver, both fuel models, saving 47%. So it's only $239. They have another mid-torque impact wrench with the ratchet 3/8 one for $359, saving $49, a whopping 12%. So not so much of great savings on this one here. And then next one, you are saving 25% on the 2 batteries because they're throwing in the extra batteries. And then with the 2 ratchets, which is a 3/8 and 1/2 inch one, $379. I'd probably look for better deals, honestly, for these tools. Now this one, they're saying you're saving $560 on the 1-inch impact wrench with the forged battery and charger, saving $560, so it's $629, saving 47%. I'll get into a few of the Ryobi options they have. Compact router tool only with some bits for $118, saving $50. I'll skip over this next one. You're only saving 14% on. Because again, these are like tools that they offer for the Ryobi days when you're buying the battery starter pack, and then you're getting a free tool. So wait for something like that to come up again in the future. And this one, they're saying you're saving 50% for $99. You're getting an inflator and looks like 2 batteries, which one of them is a 4-amp-hour one and looks like a 2-amp-hour one, and the charger for $99. And then next up is the DeWalt 2.5 gallon 140 psi 20 volt air compressor with the flex volt battery, which is a 6-amp-hour one for $279, saving $139. That's 33% off. I'll skip over the nail gun. It's only saving 14%, but on the 2-pack of the Porter-Cable ones, you are saving 50%. It's the pin nailers for $129. And then this one from Ryobi, it's unavailable both for pickup and delivery, so I don't know why they're displaying it, but that would have been an awesome deal. 72% off for this framing nailer with the 4-amp-hour battery and charger. That would have been an awesome deal. 72% off. And again, these other deals below here are also unavailable for both delivery and pickup, but maybe go ahead and check it out online where you're at, and maybe there might be a possibility of a pickup option. These are going to be the deals that I cover here in this video, but you can continue to scroll down where they have hand tools and other like socket sets, that sort of thing. So we'll make this video extremely long, but be sure to like this video if you gained value from this video. I really do appreciate the support, and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos here in the future. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.